Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Bogna.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Stockton 99, where today's somebody's birthday.
Yay! I pulled my birthday card.
21 again. But today we're out. Corey and Tony, thank you guys for bringing us out to Little Stockton 99. This is a little go-kart track. What is it, like half mile? Yeah. It's a half mile go-kart track, and it's perfect for the little 300s. Now, Bogna was selling her 300 race bike, but we just went to the track and she decided that we are keeping the little tiny but fierce R3 is staying in the collection. So we're gonna be out today running some stuff. Let's hear this thing.
Oh shit!
Two bros racing, baby, two bros. Absolutely ridiculous. So let's get some laps in and let's get you guys some film footage. Maybe I'll do a little commentary out there, but today is some riding footage from her. So let's get out there.
Birthday girl. I'm having my parade laps around Little 99. I'm so excited to be here. I can never get Bill to come here with me because it is tight, it is technical, and both of which he hates, at least at the track. So here we are. I finally convinced him. I pulled my birthday card, girl, and I demanded we gotta go into Stockton, or to Stockton anyway. And we gotta go take out the R3 out of hibernation. R3 was up for sale, but I went to Thunder Hill and it made me really realize how much I really missed riding out on track. And then I told him, nope, R3 is not up for sale. We are keeping it. And hey, how about we go to Stockton? So here we are. I'm still trying to figure out this thing because holy crap, this is a workout. I can't tell you guys how much work it is to be buzzing on this little thing around this track, but it's a blast, it's a blast, it's a blast, and I love it, you know. So the bike sat for almost a year and fired right up, and we took it out and it's riding like it didn't even have a brake. The bike anyways. I definitely am still getting used to it. Really weird to go from, you know, being on big leader bikes to, no, you gotta carry your speed or you ain't gonna go nowhere. So, woohoo! I'm still not quite up to speed what I think we can do here, but that's okay. You know, Rome wasn't built in one day. Woo! I'm huffing and puffing because fudge, this is a workout. I really struggle with this turn because it is tight, and I really don't like this turn too much. After this turn, we're okay. And we get on it, get right on it. Braking a little under that bus stop. I think I can't go through it just with letting off and maybe even staying on. We'll see. Let's start that next round. So, any of you guys go to kart tracks on your little bikes? I would love to have one of those valley bikes. I don't know if you ever saw those. They're 190 cc's and they have like freaking 30 horsepower, I want to say. And they weigh like 150 pounds, which is insane. And a lot of the kids are starting to ride on those on go-kart tracks now. They're becoming really popular. They have brilliant suspension, brilliant everything on them. And I think that might be a lot easier to ride than this thing here. But they're also like $7,000. I'm a little too cheap to buy it. Granted, it might happen. Hey, Valley guys, do you want to sponsor me a bike? I'll look cute on it. I wonder if I'll fit. I wonder how crampy my ass is gonna get from it. Not sure what Tony's doing, but I'm just gonna buzz past her. Phew! So Tony and Corey invited us out. Thank you guys. Some effing motorcycle shop. They're out here almost every Friday, I hear. So they're wicked fast around here. I am just trying not to die and talk to you guys a little. Woo. Yep. So birthday laps around little 99. Off she goes and dipping. Woo! Draggy. A little, anyways. Whee! Anyways, if you guys have the 300 and there's a kart track around you, go do it. See how you can get out on there. It will make you such a better rider. You have no idea how far this goes, because it really teaches you how to use your head and your eyes, and you got to keep your eyes moving or you're just not gonna make it. Whee! Alright, I'm gonna stop boring you guys with my yapping, and I'm gonna ride the Tiny Birthdays R3 like it's meant to. And you know what? Don't forget to comment in the video. It is my birthday. You gotta wish me happy birthday or I'm gonna be sad. And let us know what you think. Should we come out to Stockton a little more? Should we get to a valley? Comment down below. Comment down below. Hit the like button. I deserve a like for this freaking workout. I definitely deserve a like. And hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to talk to you guys a little more often as I ride, but it is not flipping easy. So yeah, subscribe, comment below, like the video, hit the ring, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.